Nagarjuna, flourished 2nd century CE, Indian Buddhist philosopher who articulated the doctrine of emptiness, shunyata, and is traditionally regarded as the founder of the Madhyamika, middle way, school, an important tradition of Mahayana Buddhist philosophy. In his first sermon, the Buddha prescribed a middle way between the extremes of self-indulgence and self-mortification. Nagarjuna, citing an early sutra, expanded the notion of the middle way into the philosophical sphere, identifying a middle way between existence and non-existence, or between permanence and annihilation. For Nagarjuna, the ignorance that is the source of all suffering is the belief in svabhava, a term that literally means own being, and has been rendered as intrinsic existence and self-nature. It is the belief that things exist autonomously, independently, and permanently. To hold this belief is to succumb to the extreme of permanence. It is equally mistaken, however, to believe that nothing exists. This is the extreme of annihilation. Emptiness, which for Nagarjuna is the true nature of reality, is not the absence of existence but the absence of intrinsic existence. Nagarjuna developed his doctrine of emptiness in the Mula Madhyamika, a thoroughgoing analysis of a wide range of topics. Examining, among other things, the Buddha, the Four Noble Truths, and Nirvana, Nagarjuna demonstrates that each lacks the autonomy and independence that is falsely ascribed to it. His approach generally is to consider the various ways in which a given entity could exist and then to show that none of them is tenable because of the absurdities that would be entailed. In the case of something that is regarded to be the effect of a cause, he shows that it cannot be produced from itself, because an effect is the product of a cause, from something other than itself, because there must be a link between cause and effect, from something that is both the same as and different from itself, because the former two options are not possible, or from something that is neither the same as nor different from itself, because no such thing exists. For Nagarjuna, the impossibility of such production is confirmed in the Prajnaparamita Sutras by the claim that all phenomena are anapada, unproduced. The purpose of Nagarjuna's analysis is to destroy vikalpa, misconceptions, and point the way toward the abandonment of all philosophical views, drishti.